In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can lock your Signal application with your fingerprint and pen. Having privacy in your account is your right. So, to lock your screen, first you have to make sure that your phone can access fingerprint and have PIN lock. Then you have to open your Signal application. When your Signal application is open, you have to go to the settings by clicking on these three dots. Go to the settings. When your setting is open, you will see the option of privacy here. Go to the privacy settings. When your privacy setting is open, you will see the first option of screen lock. You can see that the screen lock is off. You have to make it on. When you on the screen lock, you have to swipe down your screen and you will see an option for Signal is unlocked. Click on that. When you click on that, you will see the options for lock signal. Click on the lock signal. When you do the lock signal, you can see a screen in your phone. Click on tap to unlock. You can see now the two options here. The first one is about the fingerprint lock and the second one is about PIN, which is written as use password. Access your phone with fingerprint. Now your phone can be locked with the fingerprint and password as well. Go to the settings again. Go to the privacy. Here you can see the second option for screen lock inactivity timeout. Click on that. You can also change the timeout of your screen lock inactivity by selecting that. You can make it from few minutes to few hours. That's it. Thank you.